assembly. Be sure to be connected to the earth connection box and your ESD wristband. You will need the following tools: metal tweezers, a DC plug, a torque driver with Torx Plus size 6-bit, and the SS15. Take the card plate, place it in the chassis and push it into position as shown. Take the antenna, position it over the guides and press it down evenly to engage the plastic clips. Check that all visible clips are locked. Put the DC jack into its guide and, similarly, insert the microphone into the chassis. Drop the Bluetooth antenna into place. Push down the MMC cover over its hinge pin as far as it will go and close it. Put the power key into position. Pay attention to the guide pin when assembling the IHF speaker. Do not touch the spring contacts. Place the voice key into position. Grip the vibromotor by the rubber body and work it into its guide without touching the spring contacts. Use the assembly side of the SS15 to pick up the camera module. Pay attention to the guiding pins when mounting the camera module. Be sure that the metal snaps are locked in place. Do not touch the lens when fitting the camera gasket to the camera module. Release the locking clips of the soldering jig. Position the engine module on the chassis assembly. Always provide a new earpiece gasket for the earpiece and pay attention to the guide pin. Now put the UI frame assembly over the engine module. When assembling the LCD module, the LCD connector must be located first. Remove the protective film. Put the LCD cover shield into position and lock the two side clips. Set the torque driver to 25 Newton centimeters. To avoid damaging the plastic threads, first turn the screws slightly left to engage the thread, and then tighten them slightly. Now apply the right torque in the order shown. Take the A cover and put the key mat into its place. Now place the unit over the A cover, starting from the bottom. Check that there are no gaps between the covers. Put the back cover on. Finally, check the LCD and window for cleanliness. The assembly procedure is now complete.